Replacing windows can be a significant investment, but it's also one of the best ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, where high temperatures and intense sunlight are common, the right window replacement can lead to substantial energy savings. Fortunately, there are ways to reduce costs while still getting high-quality results. Here are some effective strategies to save money on window replacement for your Gilbert home. Plan ahead and budget wisely before diving into window replacement. Take time to plan and set a realistic budget. Outline what you need and prioritize rooms that require new windows the most. By budgeting in advance, you can explore options without feeling rushed, allowing you to take advantage of deals and discounts. Planning also helps you avoid costly last-minute decisions that could raise the price of your project. Choose cost-effective window materials. Window materials can vary widely in price, so choosing the right material is a major factor in managing costs. For example, vinyl windows are among the most affordable options and offer good insulation for Gilbert's hot climate. Vinyl is also low maintenance and long-lasting, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Aluminum is another cost-effective option, especially for large or high-traffic windows, as it's durable and affordable, though it may be less energy efficient than vinyl or fiberglass. Opt for standard sizes and styles. Customized windows can add to your overall cost due to specialized manufacturing and installation. If possible, opt for standard window sizes and styles, which are typically more affordable and readily available. Single-hung windows are often less expensive than double-hung windows and offer similar aesthetics. Casement and sliding windows are other affordable options. By choosing simpler, standard styles, you can save on both material and installation costs. Consider double pane over triple pane windows. Triple pane windows offer the highest insulation, but they are more expensive than double pane options. In Gilbert's climate, double pane windows with low E glass are often sufficient for keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Double pane windows offer significant insulation, helping to reduce heat transfer while keeping costs lower than triple pane options. Many double pane windows come with a layer of insulating gas, such as argon, which further improves energy efficiency. Time your replacement for off-peak season. Window replacement companies often have peak and off-peak seasons. For Gilbert, the off-peak season typically includes the cooler months from late fall through early spring, when demand slows down. By scheduling your replacement during these months, you may be able to negotiate a better price or take advantage of seasonal promotions. Additionally, installers may have more flexibility in their schedules, allowing for quicker turnaround times. Take advantage of local rebates and tax credits. Many energy-efficient windows qualify for rebates, tax credits, or local incentive programs that can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Check with utility companies in Gilbert, as they sometimes offer rebates for energy-saving home improvements, including window replacements. You can also explore federal or state incentives for installing energy-efficient windows. These programs can make energy-efficient windows much more affordable and may cover a portion of your installation costs. Choose an installer with transparent pricing. Selecting the right installer is crucial to saving money on window replacement. Look for reputable companies in Gilbert that offer transparent, competitive pricing and detailed quotes. Avoid installers with hidden fees or overly complex contracts. Request multiple quotes to compare prices and services, and ask for itemized estimates to understand the breakdown of costs. Some companies offer discounts for multiple windows or provide financing options that make payment more manageable. Consider window inserts for a budget-friendly alternative. If your existing windows are in good structural condition but need a performance boost, consider window inserts as a cost-effective alternative. Inserts add an extra layer of glass or insulation within the existing window frame, improving energy efficiency without the need for a full replacement. Window inserts are typically less expensive than replacing the entire window and can help keep energy costs down. They're especially useful in older homes where the frames are still solid. Do some of the prep work yourself. You may be able to save on labor costs by handling some of the preparation work yourself. For example, you could remove window coverings, clear out furniture near the windows, and trim back any nearby landscaping that might obstruct access. Talk with your installer to see if there are other pre-installation steps you can handle. Doing some of this work yourself can reduce the time installers spend on site, ultimately lowering labor costs. Focus on energy efficiency for long-term saving. Investing in energy-efficient windows may cost more initially, but it will save you money over time by lowering your utility bills. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR ratings and features like low E coatings and insulated frames. Energy-efficient windows reduce the need for air conditioning, helping keep your home cool in Gilbert's hot summers and lowering energy bills. Over time, these savings will offset the initial investment, making energy-efficient windows a wise financial choice. Window replacement doesn't have to be an overwhelming expense. By choosing cost-effective materials, timing your project strategically, and focusing on energy efficiency, Gilbert homeowners can find affordable options that don't sacrifice quality. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, curb appeal, or improved comfort, these tips will help you make smart choices that fit your budget. Remember, a well-planned window replacement is an investment that enhances your home's value, appearance, and efficiency for years to come.